Hey, driver, step on out for me.
Getting out on my own free volition.
All right, man, come on back. Just relax. Relax. No. Stop. Ma'am, get back in the car right now. Have a seat. Have a seat in your car. I'm going to place you under arrest. Have a seat in your car.
I am in my car.
Sit back in the car. Ma'am, have a seat in your car. Ma'am, have a seat in your vehicle.
I am in my
right
car.
Here. Right over here. Sit in the right here in the passenger seat, or I'm going to place you under arrest. This is the last time I'm telling you. If you move from here again, you're going to be stopped. You're going to be placed under arrest. Do you understand? Yes or no? Do you understand? If you move from this seat, you're going to go to...
I do not stand under you.
Okay.
I'm on, no, I am on the phone.
Come on,
with your
you're under
sergeant.
arrest as well. Told you to stay in the seat. No.
No, I am with my kid. Really, I'm not trying to knock you over from this.
We know. We know. You haven't tried to do anything except for comply and everything.
Hold on, I want to pull my pants up my ass cracks.
Nobody wants to see it, trust me.
On July 11, 2024, Andy Menson and his wife Aaliyah and 2 children are pulled over in a traffic stop. Officer Todd Plum of the Troy, Missouri Police Department orders Andy to step out of the vehicle, and while Andy is complying, Officer Plum immediately grabs his wrist. In a split second, Officer Plum and his partner are tasing Andy, and they turn this traffic stop into a violent encounter.
.87 to Central.
187.
We're going to be going out with a black Audi Q7, 47 West at Clarksfield. If you have another unit respond, there's no license plate.
Now, we just heard the cop say over the radio that there's no license plate on the vehicle. And so we have Tony Reyes, the bootlicker, in Andy's Facebook comments stating the old propaganda that he should have just complied. And Andy's wife Aaliyah responds by saying, "The cops say there was no plate on my car, but when you look, there is a plate, so which is it? Do I or don't I have a plate on my car?" The cop brought up sovereign citizen. Neither of us did, the cop did. Better question, where did he hear or read that word? And it's true, folks. Cops like to call people sovereign citizens when they stand on their rights. But who really is the sovereign citizen here? Cops think they're above the law. They continue to violate the same traffic laws that you get ticketed for. So again, I ask, who really is the sovereign citizen?
187. We're going to be westbound passing Ellis. He's pulling over about 300 yards after Ellis, west. And we're now at Dunner and St. Stephen. He's driving into a dead end.
That's clear. Confirming he continued on the St. Stephen lane.
Correct. He's now stopped. If you could have 90 expedite.
6, I'm off on that.
Okay.
And 90, be advised, there's at least 2 occupants. Get the driver out. Hey, driver, step on out for me. Step on out for me, okay?
Getting out on my own free volition.
All right, man, come on back. Just relax. Relax.
No,
Stop. 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 Put your hands behind your back.
Put
your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back.
You're not doing
Put your
it.
hands.
We are calling the police.
That's it.
I am calling Sergeant.
That's it. Taser, taser, taser. Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground. Get down on the ground right now. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down. Get down on the ground. Put your hands behind your back.
On your stomach.
You are doing this in front.
Stop. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
You are doing this.
Stay in the car.
Your stomach now.
Get on your stomach. You're going to get it again.
Your stomach.
Get on your stomach. You're going to get it again.
On your stomach.
I got it.
I'm trying, sweetheart. I am trying to find Roger Taylor's number.
Oh, you
Get back in the car right now. You're going to be placed under arrest.
7, your status.
Now,
Uncuff your, or release your hands.
you did not read me my rights. You did not go over anything. You just, no, you asserting yourself and you violated my rights. All of them.
Copy 1 detained.
Very well.
All of them. Read the paperwork you're fucking standing on. Right now.
Ma'am, get back in the car right now.
I
Have a
am in
seat.
my car.
Have a seat in your car. I'm going to place you under arrest. Have a seat in your car.
I am in my
Sit
car.
back in the car. Sit back in the car, ma'am. Ma'am, have a seat in your car. Ma'am, have a seat in your vehicle.
I am in my
Right
car.
here.
I know.
Right over here. Sit in the right here in the passenger seat, or I'm going to place you under arrest. This is the last time I'm telling you. This is the last time. Stay right here. If you move from here again,
Have a
you're going to be
nice
stopped.
night. Have a
You're going to
nice
be
night.
placed under arrest. Do
Have
you
a nice
understand?
night.
Yes or no? Do you understand? If you move from this seat, you're going to
I
go
do
to.
not stand under you.
My copy of it too. Sir, you need to read all that paperwork right there. No, stand the fuck up. You need to read that.
Stand up. All right.
You are ignoring and you are violating my rights. All of them. I'm going to make this right in front of the fucking camera, right here.
Well, the
These
camera's right
officers
here.
are violating my rights. They have tased me. On top of that, they've done it in front of my family. They are now
Okay.
searching me. I gave them all my
Stop.
information when they tried to
Stop,
take me out of the
man.
vehicle.
Just-
You ripped the taser shit on the fucking.
Well, dude, calm down.
Seriously,
Stop, dude.
I didn't do shit. He went after
Stop.
me.
Wait, resisting.
I got out of the car
Stop.
and tried to hand him paperwork.
Yeah, you don't get to
and
do
he
that.
grabbed my arm.
You don't get to do that.
Why don't I get to do that? That's my free right.
Give me a
I was
set of
trying to
cuffs.
identify
What?
myself.
Give me a set of cuffs.
Now you violated my right.
Give me a set of cuffs.
Stop fucking resisting.
Just going
Give
through.
him my resistance.
Oh, for my kids.
Come on.
I'm on. No, I am on the phone
Come on.
with you.
You're under arrest as well.
Wipe alone, you mother-
We're sick of you. Come on.
Yeah, kneel on my chest. That's great.
Told you to stay in the seat. Yo.
No, I am with my kids.
Over a little bit of speed.
I am with
Stop.
my kids.
We're done. Get out of the car.
No, I am with my kids.
Car. Get out of the car.
You know what you've done, dude. Do you know what you've done?
My door other side.
You fucked everybody's job here. I was fighting.
I told you to stay in the seat. You did not. Get out of the car. I don't
No,
care if you're
sir.
recording. Get out.
My kids are
Get
right
out.
here. No, my kids are right here.
187. Could you have another unit respond? A couple of units.
Please
Come on.
don't. No.
Get out, ma'am. Get out of the car.
Affirmative, all CSP
Get out of the car.
available.
No.
Get out of the car.
No.
Get out of the car. Stop, ma'am. Stop.
You are hurting my child.
Get out of the car.
You are hurting my child. Get your hands off of
Come
me.
on. Come on. Get out. Get out.
No.
I told you to stay in your seat. And all you do.
You get out. I don't want to hurt you, okay?
Okay.
This
and
is-
you have your minute.
This is foolish. Put your hands behind your back. 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 Holy crap. This is. Yes. Call your grandma, sweetie. 87. Could you have an ambulance respond?
Affirmative.
Come on. Come on. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up. Wake up.
There you go.
187, we'll get medics around. State's unavailable. We're seeing if Moscow can come up.
That's clear. Could you have medics expedite for taser? So why didn't you stay in your seat?
Let me read to you guys a comment that was left on their Facebook page. The guy with two first names, Robert Eric, writes, Well deserved the treatment she received. What a pathetic human being using her children and putting them in harm's way. I hope DFS responds by removing the children permanently from this household. Driving with no plates, not stopping immediately, not compliance, and resisting arrest. I feel sure for those kids. I hope it's autocorrect that's actually ruining Robert's paragraph because it hardly makes sense. But I do respond by saying, you saying she was putting them in harm's way is you also admitting the cops are dangerous. Careful swinging that double-edged sword. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments.
Yeah.
Who are you trying to call, darling? She can't. So, you need to know how to get in or find the right number.
I don't know my grandma's number. I know where she lives. She lives in Ullman Road.
Okay.
Okay.
Do you know what do you call her?
Don Benson. M-E-N-C-I-N.
Okay, do you just call her grandma?
I gotta go put my camera up. Recording them demons in the car. Okay.
Right now! You've insulted my fucking wife! Let me out right now!
You're both under arrest.
Fuck you! You've insulted my wife!
187, around, make sure to proceed in, or do you want to wait for Moscow to get on scene?
Read the fucking paper, you dumbass!
They're clear. We have 2 adults in custody.
Copy times 2 in custody. Medics are clear to proceed.
Read the paperwork! You dumb motherfuckers! Read the paperwork! Read the paperwork! Read the paperwork, you dumb motherfuckers! I'm in the middle showing you dumbasses! There's a conflict of interest! Read the court papers! Read the court papers! Ah! You! Jesus! Fucking Tahoe! I'm gonna have your asses for this! You gonna read the report yet?
Nope. Nope. Okay.
You're my kids.
Yeah.
Takes a second.
Of course you can, because you did this.
Now Officer Plum is blame shifting onto her, saying that she did this to herself. We oftentimes hear cops doing that. You're doing this to yourself. Stop resisting. In reality, she complied to his demands and she didn't even have to. The vehicle was not moving, therefore she wasn't doing anything dangerous. And let's not forget the fact that the cops did not pull them over on a felony. Was this traffic stop premeditated?
I didn't do anything, but thank you, sir.
I told you 4 or 5 times to stay in your seat.
I did.
Sweetie, stay in the car. You did not.
Stay in my car, and I stayed in my car.
please go
And then
get
you
my
changed your
money today?
wording to say stay in your
Something-
seat.
or whatever.
No,
Thank
you gotta stay in the
sir,
car,
but
sweetie.
If you're gonna change your wording, make sure you understand what you're saying.
I'm going to 4th grade soon.
Okay.
If my grandma gets arrested for just picking
Actually,
us
the
up
funny
or
thing is
doing
my
something,
children know their goddamn rights that you're currently violating.
All right. Okay, that's all what court's for.
Yeah, under your
I don't know. You can ask them. I don't know.
Fully unconstitutional.
Wait. We have a cat at our house,
Okay.
and we fed it. And if we don't feed that cat, we found that cat. We don't know what it's been
Sure.
eating.
187, do you still need Moscow to respond?
87. That's clear. If they have a unit, they could spare.
87 is.
I figured out how to get it, but it was just hard, Mom, because
You know what? Let's just roll her to the hospital. Okay. Since. Come on.
my grandma
Okay.
wants to talk to an officer.
Why can't you stand up?
She
doesn't want to.
Ren, there's a coin on the ground, baby. Oh, shit.
Put her in Iverson's car.
I really am trying. I promise you.
Iverson, watch those kids, please.
Bit of a hill.
not trying. I'm not trying to get off me from this.
We know. We know. You haven't tried to do anything except for comply and everything.
Hold on. I want to pull my pants on my ass cracks. Show me.
Nobody wants to see it, trust me.
It's locked. Hold on.
So this is how you act in front of your kids, huh?
Sir, you're the one that pulled me out.
Yeah, because you're pointing shit out the window. I don't know what you got.
My fucking phone.
Andy believes the traffic stop was premeditated. He often posts things that question authority, including and especially the government. Andy did seem to pull over in a safe area, which is actually recommended. He did not speed away trying to escape the traffic stop. He stepped out of the vehicle when asked to. He tried to provide the officer with some kind of paperwork. Officer Todd Plum, badge number 187, immediately wanted to go hands-on. The arrest seemed impulsive, and Officer Plum was already half-cocked walking up to the vehicle. If that didn't show us that Officer Plum is uncontrollable and unreasonable, the arrest of Aaliyah Menson was far more grim. Overall, he admitted to arresting her because he was tired of her. The mission statement of the Troy Police Department reads, "The mission of the City of Troy Police Department is to provide quality public service based on high ethical standards." This traffic stop and arrest was everything but quality and or ethical standards. On the contrary, it was egregious and monstrous in nature. The comment section of Andy's Facebook page lets us know that the people of Troy, Missouri are shocked and upset about the encounter. There are a couple people in there that are behind the officer's actions, but they seem to be personal friends of people within the department. We're going to be including much information for you in case you'd like to redress your grievances with the Troy Police Department in Missouri. Please be respectful so we can be more productive in getting this cop fired. One more thing before I let you go. I think it's important for me to point out. Those kids will never trust police again. The blue line propaganda will blame the parents. Cops want the people to just comply. They never want the people to question authority. But what happens when the government oversteps the people's natural rights? The people must look into what's written in the Constitution to challenge many laws, ordinances, and policies that are continuously encroaching on civil liberties. Many comments are left on our videos, and one comment that stands out is, "Cops earn the hate." And I have to say in this video, I'm sure they earn the hate as well as distrust from those kids. Let's hope that this cop is never allowed to do this again to anyone. For now, he's still working at the Troy Police Department, which means the people of Troy are not safe from his actions. I will be doing a follow-up video regarding this. If there are any developments, I want to thank you all for tuning in. We'll see you on the next one.